nakatatlong sulat na po kayo sa amin na kino-complain po yan. So ngayon, inoperate po namin, apparently, kayo po pala tatlong sasakyan na sa labas din.
Ito yung nakakatawa sa Pilipino, no? They keep on crying corruption, but they never realize that the corruption are starting from themselves. And to add insult to the injury, the moment that you call out the corruption doon sa basic unit ng society natin, they keep on defending themselves. And they keep on pointing other people, other reason aside from themselves kung bakit ganun yung ginawa nilang action. Kumbaga, anli palusot yung ginagawa nila para lang hindi sila maging responsable doon sa ginawa or sa kung ano yung pinapakita nila. Hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. They are willing to lie. Not to just other people, but to themselves as well, ng totoong dahilan kung bakit sila ganun. Mas gugustuhin nilang magsinungaling at ipasa sa iba yung responsibilidad ng pagbabago kasi nga, well, for one, pag inamin mong ikaw yung source, edi mapipilitan ka magbago. Napakahirap magbago. It's painful. It's painful to change. Napaka-effort mag-change. Kaya, ang ginagawa na lang ng karamihan ng Pilipino is sinisisi sa iba kung bakit ganun yung sitwasyon nila. Tapos, alam mo yung konsepto ng hustisya, totoo lang para sa kanila yung hustisya pag sila yung makikinabang dito. Pero, pag yung balance ng scale ay against sa kanila, they do not recognize that there is justice here in the Philippines. Willing silang siraan yung justice system na pinangangalandakan nila pag sila naman yung pinapanigan nito. Ganon kahipokrito ang Pilipino. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.